Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Before now, sending transactions on the Pi browser does not require you provide an extra authentication as long as you've logged in your wallet. Although, yes, the Pi core team added an extra level of security where your logged in session are not stored or recorded. So almost every time you load your Pi browser, you have to provide your seed phrase to log back into the system. This is a very good security feature. But then, if someone gets access to those seed phrase, like recently there's been this rampant update of people losing their seed phrase. Say maybe you've lost your seed phrase to maybe one of all these hackers, and then you want to add extra security to that seed phrase. As long as you are the main owner, because this now requires you to have your have access to the email that was synced with your that was used during KYC for your Pi wallet. Without saying much, let's go into checking how this works. So to get this done, first thing to do is to go into your Pi browser. Always make sure you are in your Pi browser because it's the safest place to be as long as you're doing anything Pi for now. Now, once you get into your Pi browser and it's loaded, the next thing to do will be to click on this drop down arrow at the top here. Then get into the URL box and change it to pifusion.online. Now, once this page loads, just allow it to properly load. Once it loads completely, just click on the continue to app and then click on the launch app. Now, once you are here, click on the KYC on this lower end of the screen. Once you click on it, authenticate your wallet. Now, once this is done, you get to this page where it will ask you to provide the email you used during your KYC. If you provide a different email apart from that email, you might get a problem at this stage. So I'm going to provide the same email I used during my KYC, which will be, then you click on submit. Now this will tell you that your 2FA has been enabled. Now when you go to your wallet, let's say view my wallet. Now as you can see, I have a few tokens inside my wallet here. Now as I come to my wallet, let's say I want to transfer some tokens to my other wallet, my second wallet, or my friend's wallet rather. So I come here, I copy out the address, come back to my Pi browser, click on the send. Of course, I'm sending Pi, and then I choose the wallet I'm sending to. I paste it in there. Let's just say I want to send out 50 Pi. Now, initially, after providing this, once I click on transfer, it will just transfer the token without asking me for any extra authentication. But after doing this, if I click on transfer now, it is going to process like this and then ask me to provide the token that was sent to my registered email address. Now at this stage, all I have to do is go out and go and check my email. And as you can see here in my email, I have Pi network 2FA verification code. So if I come here and copy out this verification code that was sent to me and come back to my Pi browser and paste it, sorry, I paste the code that was provided. As you can see, I have authenticated that transaction. Now the transaction is going to process as it should. Just give it a few seconds. Let's see. As you can see, I've been able to transfer our token. Now with this feature activated on your wallet, it will be hard for anyone who has access to your wallet to even be able to transfer unless that person also has access to your email. That is a problem. But where that person does not have access to your email, the registered email on your Pi KYC, when you were doing your KYC, your Pi KYC registration, you don't have any other problem. So guys, I hope this video has been helpful. If it has been, please do not forget to smash that subscribe button, click on the like icon, and also comment on the video. This will help with the algorithm of the video. Until next time, stay safe.